pagsintay, tila walang kapantay, inaabangan ng bawat... Welcome sa panibago natin tutorial. Sa video na ito, pag-aaralan natin ng unti-unti by Up Dharma Down. At para updated ka sa mga bago pa natin tutorial, don't forget subscribe. Okay, simulan na natin. Ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay D at A. Pagdating sa D, second string, third string, at fourth string ay second fret. Next ay A. Third string ay first fret, and fourth string ay second fret. Pagdating naman sa strumming pattern, ang gagamitin natin ay down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Ulit, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Sa D, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. And then ulit lang, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Bali, dalawang beses natin siyang ulitin sa bawat chord. And then ganun lang din sa A, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Unti-unting naglalapit ang ating mga mundo. Pag-asa ay ating bitik, maligayang walang takot. And then pagkatapos niyan, isang beses na lang maulit yung strumming pattern. Ang saya at pagsintay, tila walang kapantay, inaabangan ng bawat pagtagpo. Walang mintisang tuwa sa ating dalawa, hinamagang lahat. Okay, and then pagdating naman po dun sa lyrics na hinamakan lahat, mababago na po yung chords. Ang gagamitin na natin ay B minor, C sharp minor, at E. Pagdating sa B minor, first string, second string, at third string ay second fret, and fourth string ay fourth fret. Next ay C sharp minor, first string, second string, at third string ay fourth fret, and fourth string ay 6th fret. Next ay E. First string ay second fret, and then second string, third string, at fourth string ay fourth fret. Pagdating naman po sa strumming pattern, sa B minor, down, 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 up, C sharp minor, down, 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 up, and then sa E, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Ulit sa B minor, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Hinamak ang lahat. Okay, dito na po nagtatapos ang ating tutorial. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo, at kung nahihirapan naman po kayo ay practice lang at makukuha nyo rin yan. Abangan nyo lang ulit ang susunod nating tutorial.